Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I'm back with another Off the Board with Pineapple Papers. Today is What's in Your Cup Wednesday, and my pen that I used for inspiration for this layout is the one that's actually for this soup. I found it on Pinterest and I tried it, and it is the best soup ever. So I have soup in my soup cup today, and I am going to use this Homemade with Love Carta collection. I've used it a few times, but I'm trying to actually use it up. So I printed out the recipe just on a piece of printer paper. I inked up the edges with the ground espresso distress oxide. And then I have my photo of my soup. It really is the best soup ever. It is so delicious. It has bacon in it and it has spinach. And I don't like spinach, but I like it, and that soup is so good. So, I have these pieces of paper I just cut down from the collection, and I'm going to create a pocket to put this in. I have this swap piece that I made for a swap. I don't even know when, years ago. And I've used this before. I had a bunch of them. So, I'm working on using them up. And I cut out a title that says Best Soup Ever on my Cricut. And then I hand drew a heart and just cut it out and inked it up. So, that's where we are. And I would like to use up some of these stickers from the sticker sheet just to get it used up. So I may do that. So what we're going to do is lay all this stuff aside. Let's see here. I did, actually these pieces were already cut, and they just so happen to work pretty well on this page. It has a little bit of a gap, but that's okay. I'm fine with that. And so let's just glue this. Put that on there. This one, I just cut this. I had this strip that I cut off of this, and made this, and then I just took my scissors and just cut a curve in it so that I could put this on. But on this one, I'm just going to glue around the edges so that I can create a pocket to stick my recipe down in. And then I have this, and I'm just going to glue it down. And I did cut both of those at the same time so that it would line up. Okay, so now we have a pocket we created. So then I can put my recipe down in here. And for my picture, so that my pocket still opens, I am wanting to just add probably some foam tape on here to give it a little bit of a pop. Which I don't really plan on adding anything else into the pocket, but just so that, I need to take some of this off so that it's on the recipe, but just so that it's leaving enough room so that if you wanted to, actually this is on the wrong way. If you wanted to add anything else to the pocket, you could, and so that your pocket's available for that to get a hold of, like to be able to slide in and out. So I'm just going to put my recipe here. So it's just popped up. You can still put all this in and out if you want to. So then I have this down here. And I thought I would do it like that. I glue all this down. It is the best soup ever. Oh, it's so, 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 so good. If you are, I mean, it's keto recipe, but that just means it has low carbs and it's high in protein. So, you should definitely try it. I will try to remember to link the recipe below if you want to try it out. Okay, because this is a recipe by Casey Trenum. I don't know if I said that, but okay, let's see. I'm thinking I want to use up some of these stickers. I never do. Should I pull this off and see what it would look like underneath it? It's been a minute since I didn't rip something up. Because y'all know normally I do. Okay. It was way overdue. Okay. I think I want to do this and kind of just work on, well, it might help if I take my needle out. Just kind of build up a cluster. Okay, let's glue this back down. This one doesn't want to stay now because it's a shiny sticker, so I don't got a good grip. Okay. Let's hold this down for a minute. Let's see, what else could I add? Have an oven mitt. What else? Got dirty dishes. Got some these bowls, but I already got bowls on there. I kind of want to put something up here. Maybe I should just add those up there. Let's just do this. It ain't gonna show up good on that pattern. Let's see. I really don't know what I want to do. I need to add something. I could add some flowers, but then it wouldn't really go with anything else. I wonder if we just do that. This is a piece I tore from something else for a different layout that I did recently. Let's just do this. That says peach cobbler, but I'm okay with that. I feel like it gives it a little bit of something. Let's just tear that part off. That says peach cobbler. It'll just still have the recipe. So then that kind of pulls the flowers in. So maybe we could do one of the flower stickers down here. Okay, I like it. That's a lot of work just for this little recipe page. But I do want to use up this collection. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. I like it. I could even make another little, I feel like this says everything I think about it, but I could make another little journaling tag to put down in there if I wanted to write a story or something like that. If this was like a family recipe that you were, you know, preserving for posterity, you could, you know, do an extra little thing to put in your pocket for journaling. But I do like this. I like how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope y'all were inspired. And until tomorrow, bye y'all.